Here we are. Tell me a bit about this space, this oasis in an oasis.
I like calling it Eve's Paradise now.
Eve's.
That's where I spend most of my time, especially my weekends, because I work. I spend most of my weekends here, and I'm a plant collector. I don't sell plants, but I collect a lot of plants. Yes.
So yeah,
it's my stress remover. You know, when I'm here, I lose myself. I had to put a slab here so that they're well kept, and I set it up here because I think I didn't want any artificial I wanted the natural shade and, you know, sunlight and everything, so that's why I put it here.
I've actually seen a lot of that. As much as we can get shade cloth, every garden that I've seen which is under a natural tree canopy,
they do better.
They do better.
Yes.
They do much better. So even with the seasons, because you know trees lose their leaves, the leaves come back. But I think, you know, the plants seem to know, and it actually helps the plants. So when they need more light, they get more light.
Yes, and I've been keeping plants, and I've been looking after plants for the past, ever since I got married. And the person who made me get interested in the plants is my husband.
What?
Because there's a part of architecture which deals with landscaping. And even one time he even found me a company, Paradise Landscapers. But that time I was working for the bank, so it was just too much for me. And I tried to employ other people to help me. Well, it never works.
If you're not there,
yes, I was not there most of the time, so it never worked. These are odd plants.
Yeah.
This is Pachuria nuts.
Yeah.
Pachuria nuts.
These grow very fast.
Yeah, they do.
But they're lovely and very, very popular.
And the nut is one of the most expensive nuts.
Really?
Yes.
Have you eaten the nut?
It's very nice. Better than groundnuts.
Oh, that's actually really interesting. We have a tree at home. I don't think we've ever thought of the nuts. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Can you see how this leaf has got almost like a metallic shine? Lovely purple color. I think you need a big veranda. You need a nice veranda so you can be close to the home. Just a veranda all the way around your house, and you just walk around in the morning when you're drinking your tea.
That's the first thing I do. When I wake up, I have to greet them.
Of course, yes, you must always greet your plants.
And when I come back from work, I see how they have spent their day.
I think this is a wonderful solution in terms of climbing plants.
Yeah, it is.
Because a lot of us have these climbing plants. If we can't grow them on trees, this is a very useful solution. How do you get these, where do you get these poles, these moss poles?
Okay, these, I imported them from China.
Okay.
But these, I got them locally.
Oh, okay.
From
Henna Bloom's nursery.
Yes.
Yeah. And you just fill them up with
grass or leaves. You can fill them with leaves or grass, and then they'll feed when they start climbing. They'll feed the roots. Like this one. This one is vanilla. That's where you get your vanilla essence from.
Yes.
So you have seen the roots, the nodes are
poles.
going inside.
Okay.
So they also help to feed the plant.
No, it looks stunning. Can you make it longer if you want to extend?
Yes, these are 3 poles.
Okay.
3.
So you can actually just keep adding.
Yeah, just adding.
This is a very practical solution. I wish we had more people selling.
You know, when the first batch came, I advertised.
And what happened?
Nobody.
Nobody wanted these?
Yes. So when they saw me like this,
they became convinced.
They became convinced, and they were flooding trying to buy. I said, no, I'm not selling any. When I advertised, you were not interested. So I'm also not interested in selling because I want to use them.
So you just kept them for your own pleasure?
Yes. I will maybe, when I order the next, I'll try to order more so that I can sell some because a lot of people are asking.
So tell me a bit about this method of yours of this double pole method. How did you get this idea and how does it work exactly?
These poles, I imported them from Vietnam.
Okay. This is coconut pole.
Okay, usually I like checking like YouTube and just I just imagine, what if I do this? You know, these are most climbers I put here so that they cover and they go the other side. Like this is cobra. I want it to grow, then to come to this size, and then it go
and fill out nicely.
Yeah, it fill up nice because it's different. Like if this cobra was here, it would have looked very nice because it would have.
Yeah, this has got more stability,
space.
Yeah, and
more
space. Yeah. But I do like this idea. You know, it's funny when you go to people's gardens, you see things that are so obvious and you say, why didn't I think of that? Why was I struggling with you know, all my little things? But this makes so much sense because even the way you've done it, it's double. So you can actually double and have them growing up the back, growing up the front, and growing wide as well.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Is this a type of pothos?
That's Mandura potho.
Majura.
Yes.
Look at that.
This is the same. The mother plant is in the. So you see, this is the same.
Oh, look at this. And I wonder if it gets a big pot, if it gets, because you know how golden pothos gets the big leaves.
I think you just didn't see it. I'll show you.
I saw the one on the veranda. Oh, okay.
The leaves are like this big. They grow bigger. And I saw when I bought this, I said, okay, that's small leaves. So when I saw it on YouTube, big leaves, that's when I said, wow, I think I can make them big as well. And that I've managed on the veranda. The leaves are quite big.
So that came with time, or it came with fertilizing? Getting the leaves to grow bigger?
You know how many fertilizers, manures I put here? I put cow dung, chicken manure, layers, goat manure, charcoal dust.
Everything.
And tobacco dust. And my humus, which I make here. You have seen my humus. So that's why you have seen that very out. I think I overfeed them.
So this is 100% your own potting soil. It's got all those different manures in it.
My own potting soil.
And you take your time, you get it. Yep. Wow, I think that's fantastic because that makes it very fertile and well balanced.
Yeah.
There was an aglaonema trend, what, 4 or 5 years ago?
Even now, I think a lot of people are
still into aglaonemas.
But I've got rare ones, like that one. Not a lot of people have.
Which one? This one with the white in the center?
The white, yeah. And this one, not a lot of people have. And this one, not a lot of people have. This, I don't know whether it's aglaonema or in the family of those, but I've just put it here because
it looks the same. I think it's a Dieffenbachia, which looks almost the same as aglaonema. And where do you get your plants from? Do you import them as well, or you just buy
most of them I buy locally, but a few when I travel out, maybe I go for a holiday and I see that it's quite rare. I buy one plant and
you just keep it.
Yeah, and just keep it and try to propagate it as it grows.
No, I think I really appreciate the fact that when you're growing things for yourself, you can put so much into it, and you can bring out this magnificent, you know, arrangement. So here's another section where you see.
This is the famous pink princess.
Once again, I've only ever seen it as a cutting in a small pot. So to see it actually grow to this size, this is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning.
And I only bought, I think, 2 plants from Nelly when Nelly was here. And now You know, I never bothered about the pink princess because I bought it over 10, 15 years ago.
Oh, it has been there that long, even before it became a
Yes, but
thing.
if you see this one, this is the original. What you are seeing now is not original. This is the original pink princess.
Okay.
You can see the leaves, you can see they're a bit different from the ones they're selling now. This is original.
Okay. Look at this splendid alocasia here. And you're not propagating, you're just keeping it until it grows.
You know what I've done? I've cut it so immediately when it's longer, I cut it so that it starts growing. So here there are about, from one plant, there are about 4 plants.
Oh,
you just cut so that it starts growing this side and this side. So here there was only, when I started, there was only 1 plant. You just make it neck.
Oh, okay. And then, so you don't cut it off.
No,
you just cut it.
Yeah, you just make a small cutting.
Okay, all right. No, that makes sense.
So then it's like you separate them, but the roots are one, but on top you have cut. So there'll be a shoot will be coming from the cuttings. There will be a new shoot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
I learned it from YouTube.
YouTube is great.
It has been my university.
Yes, YouTube University. That's where we all graduated from.
Yeah.
Oh, I just want to talk about your Scindapsus. Jonathan, come take a shot of this as it's growing.
This. It's the same as that one there. The mother plant is this one.
Oh, okay. It's over there.
This one.
Oh, okay.
Come and see this. This is the mother plant. This is what's dubia, Monstera dubia. It grows as big as a Monstera. It's beautiful. I love it. It's one of my favorite plants. I've only ever seen it in pots. So now when you see it on the tree and you see it growing to that size, but I love that one that's growing on this one. Yeah, and it's growing very fast. I've got the other type is this one. I've had problems with it. Come this side. There's this one. I think, and you can come and see this one. This one. Can you see it?
Oh, yes. What is that little one? Is that the same? Is this the same?
It's the same family.
Okay.
But it's quite rare. I bought it from Katrina.
Okay.
I've tried to look after it, but it's a very difficult plant. It's a very, very difficult plant.
But I think you've done well. You've put it with others in an area where it's a bit protected. So hopefully it will do okay. No, I love this Eve's Eden. What do you call it?
Eve's Paradise.
Eve's Paradise.